Hello, my name is Drusilla Biella. I'm from Troop 10374, and today we're going to be doing baking soda volcanoes. Everyone knows what this stuff is. It's a classic science fair project. So, obviously, you need your vinegar. You need your baking soda. That's basically all you need, but if you want to make it look fancy, you can have some food coloring and you can put in some glitter. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take like a plastic cup and cut it at about like halfway. So it would be something like this. And pour in your vinegar. To about halfway, or a little less. Ooh, you. And then you can put in like some food coloring, like doesn't matter what color. If you could ever so kindly come off. But maybe like 3 drops in, maybe. Kind of just you can just mix it in with the top of it or whatever. Ooh, never mind. Only did 2. I don't know if that was too much. Then you can put in some glitter. I choose gold. Doesn't matter what color. Why did I do that? And all you really need to do for this is just put in like some baking soda. It doesn't matter how much amount, just in baking soda. Doesn't matter how much you put in, just make sure it explodes. So that one I put yellow food dye in. This one was purple. This one was red. This one was a blue, or a light blue. That one was green. And this one was also a blue. Now the way this works, the scientific part of what's going on here is that hydrogen ions in the vinegar react with the sodium and bicarbonate ions in the baking soda, and they react to form water, while also releasing carbon dioxide as a byproduct, which is what makes it so bubbly. It's basically what happens when you shake a soda bottle is what's happening there. So that's the end. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.